Let's look at proposals. From the appointment page, tap Proposals. The Proposals page will show you any proposals attached to this job. If you're familiar with how invoices work, setting up proposals is exactly the same. The biggest differences are you can't take payment on a proposal. It must be converted to an invoice to take payment, and you can only offer financing on proposals. To create a new proposal, tap New in the top right and select New Proposal. From here, edit proposal details by tapping on the arrow to the right of the customer name. Update details like proposal name, mark as favorite, update the technician, and adjust pricing settings. Tap Featured Image to add an image to the proposal. You have a few options here to choose from: Pricebook images, Image Library, or tap New to take a photo with your device or upload from your camera roll. Once you select the image you want, tap Save at the top right. To add items from your Pricebook, tap Add Items in the Product section. You can either navigate through the folders you have below here, or type a keyword in the search to find what you want. Once you find the item that you want, tap the plus sign. You can increase the quantity by continuing to tap the plus sign. You can decrease the quantity by tapping the minus sign, and hit the trash can icon to remove this from the product queue. With my item selected, I can see one item in the product queue for $150. Tap Add to add it to the proposal. You can also add recommended items the same way. You will just have a slightly different option. Tap Add Items again and search for the item you want to add as a recommended item. When you see the item in the list, tap on it and choose Recommend in the bottom left. We want this to go on the proposal we're building, so we'll select this proposal and tap Add. This has been added to our product queue as a recommended item, and when we tap Add, we can see this has now been added as a recommended item. If you want to move this recommended item from the recommended section up to the product section, tap the plus sign on the left side of the product. Now we can see the item in the product section, which will be included in the total price. If we want to put this back into the recommended section, slide your finger to the right and select Recommend. If there's an item you want to add but it is not part of your Pricebook, you can use a custom line item. To do this, tap Plus Items again and select Custom Line Item. Fill out the information, and when you're ready, tap Add Item. Then tap Add. This will add the custom line item to this proposal. Keep in mind, this item will only be available on this proposal. It will not be added to your main Pricebook. You can update the taxes on an individual item by tapping on the item and toggling tax on or off. Then tap Save. And you can update the tax group by tapping the arrow next to tax. Use the drop-down to select a new tax group and tap OK. Then tap Save in the top right. Now let's offer financing on a proposal. Tap Offer Financing. Select the project location, the plan you want to offer your customer, and confirm the amount to finance. A summary of the loan will show below. When everything looks good, tap Save to add the loan to the proposal. Then tap Apply Now to start the application. Your customer will fill out the information and tap Submit Application, which will be sent to the lender. Once approved, you can do the work and follow the loan status on the financing dashboard on the desktop version of WEX FSM. To add a maintenance plan to a proposal, tap Offer Maintenance Plan. Select the plan you want to offer, then tap OK. Now tap Sign Up. And make any edits needed to this template. You can add a customer signature at the bottom. When everything looks good, tap Next. Add or edit service windows here, then tap Next. Confirm customer info for sending out maintenance reminders, then tap Next. And finally, determine the payment options. Payment plan will allow you to create a recurring payment plan. On proposal, we'll put the price on the proposal, which can be converted to invoice to take payment. And not now means you can take payment later. Let's add it to the proposal by selecting On Proposal, then tap Done. Now we can see the maintenance plan has been added to the products section of this proposal. To delete a maintenance plan, slide your finger to the left and tap Delete. At the bottom of the proposal, you can add notes that are customer-facing. Upload attachments, add checklists and contractor warranties, equipment and manufacturer warranties, or rebates to the proposal. When everything looks good, tap Present Proposal. Now you can present this proposal to your customer by turning your device around and showing them. You can also tap View PDF to show this as a PDF. When you send the proposal out to your customer, they will see the PDF like this. From here, you can instantly convert this to an invoice to take payment, or send this to your customer where they can review and accept online. Tap Send Proposal. Determine the method of communication. Add a personalized message if needed, or attach documents to this to be sent with the proposal. Then tap Send. Now let's create a proposal using the Copy feature. From the appointment page, tap on Proposals. Then tap New in the top right and select Copy from Existing. Your favorites will show at the top. Tap on the document you want to copy. Then tap Create. This will copy all of the information from the previous proposal, but replace the customer info with your new customer's information. Any edits you make to this proposal will be unique for this job form and not affect the original proposal you're copying from. When you're ready, tap Present Proposal and continue like a normal proposal. From the Proposals page, you have some sliding actions. Slide right to send, view PDF, or convert to invoice. Slide left to delete a proposal, and tap on the proposal status to update it. Keep in mind, proposals need to be in open draft mode for you to edit it. Now, let's create a proposal comparison. There are two main ways to do this. First, from the Proposals page, select the proposals you want to compare and tap Create. Tap on the customer's name to edit details like marking as favorite, updating the technician, issue date, billing address, and job location. Update the options like updating the color and adding good, better, and best. Tap and hold the 3 lines on each product to change the order of the proposals. Make any edits to each proposal by tapping Edit Proposals. When you're ready, tap Present Proposal Comparison. From here, you can seamlessly switch to each offering by sliding your finger left and right and scroll up and down on each page to see each proposal in detail. You can quickly convert to invoice here. This will convert the selected proposal to an invoice to take payment. View PDF will show a PDF version of the selected proposal. Send this proposal allows you to send the selected proposal to the customer. And Send Proposal Comparison allows you to send the entire comparison to your customer. Your customer can review and accept the proposal online after it is sent to them. The second option is to use the Proposal Comparison tool. Tap Proposal Comparisons. Then tap New and select Proposals to compare. Select the proposals you want to compare, then tap Create. Now we are in Edit mode, which is the same process we just went over. Make the edits you need, then tap Present Proposal Comparison. Convert to invoice, view PDF, send as a single proposal or as a comparison, or tap Save. You can order parts from the mobile app with purchase orders. It's important to set up your suppliers and supplier catalogs first from the desktop version of your system for this to work properly on the mobile app. To create a purchase order from the appointment page, tap Purchase Orders, then tap New in the top right. Select New Job PO and determine if this is going to be a pickup or delivery order. Then select your supplier. If applicable, select the supplier account number and supplier location. When you're ready, tap Create. Tap Plus Items in the Parts section to add parts to the purchase order. Select the folder you want to browse. We're going to hit the drop-down on the default folder. You can scroll through items here, or type in a keyword to search for the item you're looking for. Tap on the item to see item details, and tap the plus button to add it to the parts queue. When you're ready, tap Add to add it to your purchase order. Follow this step for all the items you want to order. Add any notes you want your supplier to see in the purchase order notes at the bottom, and when you're ready, tap Submit Purchase Order. On the purchase order page, you can use sliding actions here. Slide your finger to the right to submit the purchase order or view as a PDF. The PDF version looks like this and includes all the information for the order. And slide your finger to the left to delete the purchase order. Good reviews from your customers can have a positive impact on your business. You can easily send a review request to your customer from the mobile app. Tap Review Request at the bottom of an appointment page. Tap New in the top right. Confirm the recipient details and tap Send. After sending, you can see the date, time, and user who sent it for your records.